To customize lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to wallpapers and style and then click on your lock screen on the left side right here. That way we'll be able to customize it. So first thing you can do is click on this image option and then change a wallpaper for your lock screen. So here choose whichever option you like. You can choose featured, gallery, create one with AI, graphical, colors, any options. When we have our wallpaper set, then you can click on the clock right here, which allows you to switch between different clock styles and different fonts, and you can also change colors for them. You can also add widgets beneath the clock, so you can, for example, see the let's say weather. We can add current temperature and weather, and that way we'll be able to see the weather beneath. You can also customize it with different widgets if you like. You can click on the left or right shortcut to add or remove any of them. And then there's styles for your wallpapers. Here you can go for suggest, which will automatically suggest the wallpaper with added frame and different options, clock and etc. You can go for a frame itself. That way you'll be able to add your own frame and change the wallpaper, move it around and apply different colors for that frame. You can go for the effects and then apply different effects to your wallpaper, and you can also add weather, which allows you to check the weather on your lock screen with that cool effect that shows you it's snowing or raining depending on the weather outside. Click on done, and that way your wallpaper will be customized. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.